Today I'm going to unbox this. This is the VANS shoes high top that I got a deal from 3rd Street Promenade at Santa Monica from a Foot Locker store. So it was on sale. I can't believe it was only like $24.99 plus tax, and they didn't have my size. So the sales associate told me I could order it and then ship it to my house directly for free. So I said, why not? So at the store, they only have size 8 or 8.5, and I need a size 9. So yeah, anyway, let's go ahead and unbox this. I believe the original price is like $65. So we got the Foot Locker, and then save $20 on your next purchase of $120 or more. And here's a thank you card. So let's go ahead and give you guys a 360 review of the box real quick. On the top, you have the VANS off the wall with the skateboard logo. And you got the VANS over the side of the box. And you got the VANS here, and then off the wall in quotation. And right here, VANS again. On the bottom, you got the size chart. So let's go ahead and check on the size sticker right here. Got the VANS. So this one is the Retro Sports size 9. And this is what the shoe's gonna look like. That is the barcode. So hopefully it is a brand new one, because the one on the display was kinda dirty. Now you got the quality control sticker right there, QC B-7 OK. You got this plastic VANS plastic paper here, or the tissue paper. So there you go, guys. This one, you got the off-white or cream on the midsole with this red pin 9 or pinstripe, and then you got the cream with the white VANS stripe right here. And this is like a suede on the green part right here. This is canvas right here, and also on the back here. You got the VANS tab right here. And here is what it looks like on the toe box. Here's a sticker. And then you got the vents off the wall on the top of the tongue. This is suede, so it's padded. Then here's the size. World's #1 skateboard shoes. And this pair is made in Vietnam. Got the white lace with the VANS on the midsole. And you have the waffle gum sole right here. Let's go and check out the other one. I mean, for what, $24.99 versus $65 original retail price. Why not? Cannot go wrong. Plus, this colorway is pretty different and unique. And on this one, you got the sticker VF. So yeah, the midsole is like a off-white color or the cream color. Anyway, hopefully you guys give it a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any in the comments on below. And thank you for watching. I will see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.